Hi guys, to receive this LED shooting tent kit for viewing purposes, so let's go ahead and open the box and see what comes inside. Okay, this is so we can take photos of different items that you wanna post on social media and stuff like that, which I think it's really nice. Okay, so this is the main unit. Okay, just like that. As you can see, it's ready like this, which I think it's really nice. And here we've got the user manual and the power adapter, and we also get these colorful backgrounds, which I think they are really nice. Different colors to choose from, but this or depending of the color you want. So let's go ahead and test it. Come on. So I think it's really nice. It's really easy to use and I like it a lot. It's perfect if you have a small business and you wanna make some photographs of your product. I think this is gonna be a really nice tool that I will really recommend. See you guys.